Howdy, folks. This is Mark from Auto Media Marks. I got a serious message for you. We got a cat burglar in our midst in our little town right here. Let me tell you something. Someone stole my little girl's 2 little kittens. Stole them. Iced them. Picked them right up out of the street. Let me tell you something. If I find out who you are stealing from me, it's like stealing from the mob. Before you know it, you'll be starring in the next ISIS video. I didn't know exactly what a cat burglar was, but now I know. If you got any kind of smarts in that little pea brain of yours, you better return them. Now, I've only heard of people stealing cats just to torture them, throw them off of bridges, setting them on fire, throw them in a pack of pit bulls. You bet your ass, if I find you, you'll be sorry. So if you used to find it in your sorry ass, you better return them. Because if you don't, if I was to find out, holy crap, hell will follow with me. And that's a promise. I'm not the kind of guy you want to mess with. Especially with my little girl. That's a promise. Oh yeah, by the way, I'll probably find out. Because I got surveillance videos all around this place. Because I don't want someone stealing my shit. Especially my cats. So, you better grow some smarts into that wicked ass you got. Because this is serious business. You steal from me, you'll have the devil to pay for. And I'll hunt you down. I'll hunt you down with vengeance. And I won't pay no code of conduct. I'll find you. And I'll make you pay for it.